Hi, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do an audio product, how to record a simple audio file. And we are going to be needing a microphone and then a software for the capture of the audio. And then we can use that software not only to record, but also to edit our captured audio. And then we can export the file in a format that we can use it for a product or for our website. So for this video, I'm using a Blue Yeti microphone, the Blue Yeti USB microphone, which is a very good professional microphone for recording. And then for the software, as you can see, I'm using Audacity. Audacity is a free application that you can download for free and then install either on your Mac or your Windows laptop. So you can go to audacityteam.org and then download your free version for whatever system you are using. If you are using a Mac or you are using a Windows-based laptop, you just download the version you need, install it, and once you install it and then you open it, you have an interface like this, and then you are ready for your recording. So once your software is installed and you open it, this is the interface you are going to see. This is the recording interface. At the top here, you see a menu here, the file, edit, select, view. We'll have time to do other videos where we'll look at those things into details. But for now, this is what we need. You have the pause button, you have the playback button, you have the stop button, the forward and back buttons, and then this red circle here indicates the recording button. So immediately you click on it, you start recording your file. So let's look at it, how it goes like. We click on record. So here you see that my recording is in process, is doing the recording in Audacity. So that is how you do your recording, audio recording in Audacity. You just have your microphone and you speak your course content that you want to record or whatever information you want to record in audio form. You just record it for the duration of time that you want it to last. And then when you are done recording, even if you are not done, you can pause at any time and then come and continue. So you see that I'm speaking, but the bar is not moving. It means the audio recording is paused. So let me continue the recording, and you see that the recording has resumed and then it's in progress. So when you finish the content you want to record, you simply go to the stop button, which is the black square here, and then you click. So you end your recording like that. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to play back and see whether you had a good recording. So you can go to the playback button, which is the green triangle here, and then click on it. We click on record. So here you see that my recording is in process, is doing the recording. So you can see in Audacity. So that is how you do your recording, audio recording in Audacity. You just have your microphone and you speak your course content that you want to record, or whatever information you want to record in. So I pause. Now you can see some spaces here where no speaking went through. We can do the editing if you want to do the editing, which we'll look at into details in later videos. You come up here to effects and then you click on effects, and then you have a lot of editing stuff that you can do here. You can remove noise, you can do many stuff here. We'll have time to look at this into details, how to edit your audio file and then get it ready in the format you want it. But this one, I just want to introduce you to the recording or your audio in Audacity. So we'll make time for another video where I'll show you how to do editing professionally with this art form. Alright, so the next thing we do is we want to export our recorded file. So you go to File at the menu bar at the top here. You click on File, and then you come to export. Now there are many formats in which you can export your recorded audio file. You can export in MP3, you can export in WAV, you can export in OGG, and then other formats. But we want to export our file in MP3 format. So we click on MP3, and then we select the destination folder where we want to save our file on the computer. So here I'm going to save the file on my computer. First of all, you give it a name, and so we are giving it a name as my first audio product. So that's the name for our file. And then the next thing we do is we choose the location where we want to put it. Maybe we just leave it on the desktop in general, or we can save it in any folder. So for now, I want to save it on the desktop. Let me make a little correction here in the file name. And then we click on save once we have selected the destination folder. And then you have some stuff here, the artist name, track title, album title, track number, year, genre, and comment. We don't need all this stuff, so we just click on OK. And then our file is exported. So we close the Audacity software, save project before closing. No, we don't want to save it. So you come here on my desktop, and then you see the click on record. So here you see that my recording is in process. It's doing the recording. Now that is the file we recorded. Audacity. So that is how you do your recording, audio recording in Audacity. You just have your microphone and you speak. That is it for course content that you want to record, or whatever information you want to record in. Thank you. See you again in the next video.